No, not now. Yeah, now I can see.
Okay. My question was that here we are considering only for cost savings, we are considering only one variable. Suppose here I have taken the spending post purchase. But generally, what will happen? Multiple variables will affect the outcome. So, can we consider multiple variables also?
Yes, we can consider multiple variables at one go. So, like in the currently we have one variable in the row, right? On the rows we have only one variable, that is pending post purchase. So we can put one more,
Mhm.
we can put RFQ also, RFQ also on the row. We just put RFQ also in the rows. No, not in the column, rows, right? So no, it's not like that. So we have to take only one in the value section. We have to take only one of them. So we have to remove some of RFQs. Remove some of RFQs. Okay. So now we put the RFQ in the rows section. We should not go to the value section. Yeah, now it's fine. So yeah, it's fine now. So what is the spending post versus here? So now we have two variables here. We will remove zero total, zero total in RFQ.
We should take which sum? Grand total?
Now let's make it. Let's convert them into purely counts. Right now we have the data in the form of percentages. Let's convert them into purely counts. So click on that in the value section. The variable is there, right? Count of cost savings in the value section. In the value section, yeah, on the drop down, click on the drop down. Go to value field settings.
Count.
I cannot see
Count
it.
is okay.
No. Let's go click on the drop down there. Value field settings. Why it's not coming? I think we will get when we click on the value field settings. Then we'll get one different window. From there, we will actually convert them into percentage into. Oh, it's not coming.
Count here, right?
Yeah, not yeah. We want count here. So
Is
right.
show values as
Yeah,
no
show value says.
calculation.
Yeah, show value says.
It is okay now.
Now it's okay. Why didn't get to see that particular box? Means the window. I am surprised.
Which one?
Yeah, this one. After clicking this, we'll get a pop-up window. From there, we actually convert them into counts. So I didn't get to see that.
Maybe because of Office version. Maybe I don't have Office 365. Maybe you have Office 365, right?
No, it will not be like that. It must get the if you are changing into counts, you will get the window. That I should be able to see. Okay, not a problem. So here what is happening is under spending post purchase 0, we have two categories of one category of 0, one category of RFQ. Under 0, spending post purchase 0%, right? This is 0%. So it is 0%. We have only one RFQ category, that is 0. Under 0.01, we have only one RFQ category, that is 2. But under 0.02% spending post purchase, we have two RFQ categories, that is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Like similarly, like 0.07 percentage or 0.07 percentage, we have two categories, 2 and 3. 0.08% spending post purchase, we have two categories, 1 and 3. Right, 0.09 we have two categories, 0 and 3. 0.01 we
Here,
have
0.09, I think we have three categories here, right?
no 0.09 we have two categories, that is 0 and 3. 0.01
0 and
3.
Okay.
Yeah, 0.01 we have three categories, 0, 2 and 3. So
Okay.
right. So here we can combine. We can look at individually. We can combine the RFQ and the post spending. We can combine both of them, or we can look at them individually also. So let me share. Just keep the screen like this. After I share my screen, then I'll come back to your screen.
Mm-hmm.
So the first is we have two outcomes. So the outcome is cost savings. Right? So what is the outcome in the cost savings? We have let's say we have categories in the cost savings. I'll say I have three categories. So less than 2%, 2 to 5%, and more than 5%. We have three branches, or means three categories within cost savings. In the cost savings of 2%, we are actually the first variable we are trying to study is post spending, post purchase, right? Or post usage, post purchase spending.
You please start the recording.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. I forgot it. So we will having a categories here, post purchase spending. So post purchase spending, we will again have a category here. Let's say less than 1% or whatever categories we have, less than 1%, 1 to 5%, more than 5%. Then within less than 1%, we will have categories of RFQ. So RFQs, we have categories like 0, 1, 2. categories. 1, 2. In some cases, we will have only one category 1. In some cases, we will have 3 categories 0, 1, 2. This is how the tree structure will be formed. So the cost savings, we will have the outcomes. These are the outcomes. So all the outcomes will be listed over here. And within the cost savings, we have a first variable, that is post purchase spending, which is critical from the total cost to serve point of view. Right. So this is how we can actually create the variables within the variables. If I can also put the fourth variable. I can also put the fourth variable below this RFQ. Below the RFQ, I can also put the fourth variable. So how to actually read this? The first outcome variable will be written as simple single event probability. So it will be like the first one is probability of cost savings. Less than 2%. Probability of cost savings for a new order, if you receive a new order, between 2 to 5%. Probability of cost savings more than if you receive a new order, then it is in between more than 5%. Right. So this is what we will be writing over here, and we will have those values written over here. Now we have a second variable. The second variable is post purchase spending. So here given the cost savings is less than 2%. What is the probability of post purchase spending less than 1%? So the second branch is the conditional probability. The second branch is the conditional probability. Given the cost savings is less than 2%, what is the probability of post purchase spending in between 2 to 5, in between 1 to 5%. So the second branch is all about the conditional probability. So when we go to third branch, right? Before going to third branch, what we will do? We'll combine first and two. Before going to third branch, we'll combine the first and two. So how the logic works? Before going to third branch, we'll combine the first and second branch. That is our intersection probability. And so the third branch will have the condition probability given the on time cost savings is less than 2% and the post purchase spending is less than 1%. So this is the conditional intersection probability, but this is the condition for the third branch. The second branch, first and second branch, they'll combine together. They'll form the condition for the third branch. The probability of RFQ is in the first category, that is 0. So what we are doing is the first branch, second branch, we are combining together. That forms the intersection set, and that intersection set is the condition, is becoming condition for the third branch, that is RFQ branch. And finally, we'll combine all three branches. So here we already have combined the first two branches, and we'll combine the last branch. So that becomes the intersection probability of cost savings and cost savings less than 2% and post purchase less than 1% and RFQ probability the reason is they have made a combine, and we have to find the RFQ also. RFQ combine. So this will become our third branch. All the three branches we are going to combine finally. So this works like the first stage is find the single event probability. Stage 2, find the conditional probability for the second variable, for the first input variable, like we are doing there. Stage 3, combine by using combine stage 1 and stage 2 by using multiplication law. And stage 4, find the conditional probability with the condition, with the stage 3 as the condition, and stage 5 combine stage 3 and stage 4 to get the intersection probability. So this is how. Suppose if we have one more stage, if you have one more stage, so stage 5 will become the condition. If you have one more branch, then stage 5 will become the condition for the stage condition for the next branch. And finally we'll at the stage 6 we'll find like this. This is stage 6, and then stage 7 again we'll combine. Single event, conditional probability, then combine. Then the combination becomes the condition for the next stage. Then again find the conditional probability, then again combine. So this is how this works. So let you can how to work this in pivot table. Is this clear, Avinash?
Yeah, it is clear. We can see in pivot table also.
Yeah, let's try it. So please share your screen.
Okay. Okay, if I share, then I think yours will stop sharing, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. What should I do now?
Okay, let's start one by one. We'll start from step 1.
Hmm. I will change it to probability now. Okay.
Yeah.
Percentage. We'll take grand total. Okay.
So we have cost savings A, B, C, D groups. Okay, and then let's remove this blank. Let's we have the filter option in the cost savings. From the cost savings filter option, let's remove the blank.
Blank.
Yeah, just go to there is a filter option in the cost savings. Yeah. So there is any blank option is there? A, B, C, D is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not okay. I got it. It's not blank. Actually, it is not.
These are ABCD. This is grand total.
Okay. So we have the structure now. A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is our post purchase, and this is in percentages. Already in percentages, right? This is already in percentages.
Yeah, I took it grand total percentage. This is our stage 3, I think.
Yeah, this
right?
was stage 3.
Hmm.
This was stage 3. We got stage 3. Now, in this stage 3, if we put our next variable, that is RFQ. Yes, RFQ. Let's put the RFQ. RFQ will come in the first row. Let's put the RFQ in the first row.
RFQ in first row?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we put this, the condition is right now the combination is there, right? The combination is pending post purchase, and we already have the combination there. So for RFQ 0, what is the probability? If the condition is this, what is the probability for probability So we have spending post purchase, we have four conditions: 0, 0.05, 0.09 and 0.1. So we have four conditions here. So for or if given it is 0, given it is 0, okay, what is the probability? Given it is 0 and A, given it is 0 and A, what is the probability for RFQ? 5%. So this is what the stage 3. So we have spending post purchase, and A, the cost savings. Spending post purchase and A, that is the intersection. Spending post purchase, in the spending post purchase we have four categories: 0, 0.05, 0.09, 0.1. Look at the first one.
We can also, uh, we can also say if RFQ is 0 and spending post purchase is 0, then probability of cost saving A is 5, B, C, D is 0, 0. Like that we can say.
This is the last stage, right? This is the last stage. Means we are combining all the three.
Okay.
We are combining all the three. Means here we are combining the last, means the last stage. Intersection of 0, RFQ group, spending post purchase and cost savings A, that is 5%. So the intersection of 0, RFQ, spending post purchase 0 and cost saving A is 5%. So this is the last stage of the three variables. 5%.
Okay.
Right? So intersection of 0, 0.05, 0 from RFQ, 0.05 from spending post purchase and A, that is 0%. Right? Intersection of RFQ 0 and spending post purchase 0.09 and A, that is 0%. Intersection of 0, 0.1 of spending post purchase and cost savings A, that is 5%. Since we are taking the grand total, right? Percentage of grand total.
Yes.
So this is the last stage.
Yeah.
This is the last stage. If we take the percentage of row total and percentage of column total, this will be different. That will become a conditional probability.
This is column total. So if there is for 0 RFQ, 0 spending post purchase, 9% chance that cost saving will be A, under A range.
Yes, given it is now here. Given it is A, or can we take this spending post purchase in the column?
In the column?
Yeah, spending post purchase in the column. So this is, so now we have spending post purchase and cost savings in the column section, right? So A is we have A, how many categories? A, we have, for A we have spending post purchase A 0.01, 0.02, 0.04, 0.07, 0.08, 0.09 and 0.01, right? So here within A we have spending post purchase different categories. So now this is condition. The condition is for A and 0. For A and 0, the RFQ probability of RFQ given it is A and 0. A and 0. A is cost saving category and 0 is spending post purchase category. Can you go on the right hand side please? Once on the right hand side.
Sorry, what should I do?
Can you move on the right hand side on the chart? Means yeah, yes. So this is the conditional probability. So we have cost savings and the spending post purchase. Cost savings and spending post purchase. So within cost saving D, there are three categories of spending post purchase: 0.02, 0.07, 0.08. So probability of RFQ category 0, probability of RFQ category 0 given the cost saving is D category and spending post purchase is 2% is 0%. Probability of RFQ 0 category given it is from cost saving is from D category and the cost saving is 7%, that is 0%. So this is how the conditional probability is found.
Moving it to row will give same value or different?
So let's now what we'll do, let's do the this is for the given the cost savings, right? Means it is column wise. So let's move back. Let's move back the spending post purchase into row column in the row section. Now let's convert. Now what the condition is, given it is spending post purchase, right? Given it is spending post purchase, what is the probability? Given it is spending, right now we have seen, okay, so now we have to move to the column. Now we have to take the probability of RFQ, given it is spending. Let's take spending under the, okay, let's put spending before cost savings. Spending before cost savings in the column section.
Spending before cost saving.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we have the cost savings here, the cost savings and spending post purchase RFQ. So what we want is the we want in the rows, right? So RFQ should be, so the probability of RFQ given. So last thing we have done is probability of RFQ given the cost savings and
Should we take row total for, grand total, or column total is okay?
no, we have to take row total here. So the question, I'm just trying to understand the question. So here the cost savings is in the okay. Okay, so yeah, so let's keep the cost savings on the column, and let's bring the spending post purchase in the row section. Let's redesign it. Spending post purchase on the RFQ.
And RFQ in column?
RFQ column will remain on the same place. So now we are doing the column. This is again column total, right? Let's convert it into row total. Right. So now what we are saying is, now our condition is what is the probability of cost saving A group given it is RFQ and spending post purchase are combined together. What is the probability of cost savings for the group A given RFQ and spending post purchase categories are grouped together? So that is 100%. What is the probability of B, cost savings category B, given the RFQ category 0 and spending post purchase 0 are grouped together? Right. So let's see some where we have a value here. So
you want to change it to count?
No. Let's keep it percentage. So now let's see the probability of cost savings category B when RFQ is having a 0 category and spending post purchase is 0.09 category. That is 100%. Let's see one more case here. There is 50% here, 50%. So what is the probability of cost savings category A given the RFQ category 2 and spending post purchases category is 0.07? That is 50%. So what we are finding here is we are finding the probability of cost savings given when two variable categories are combined together. Right, probability of cost savings given RFQ and spending post purchase category. Suppose if you want to take RFQ on the column section, let's take RFQ in the column section, cost savings in the row section. Right. So now, what is the probability of RFQ? What is the probability of RFQ category 0 given cost savings category A and spending post purchase 0 are combined together? Right. So what we have done here is we are shifting RFQ into the column section, cost savings onto the row section. And here the condition is what? Condition is cost savings and spending post purchase. The conditions are we are having the intersection. We are having the condition is intersection of cost savings category A and spending post purchase category. Right. So here the condition is there, and we are finding the probability of RFQ 0, 1, 2, 3 for different intersection conditions. If you want to switch RFQ back into the row section, spending post purchase into the column section, spending post purchase into column section, RFQ over here. So now we are going to find the probability of spending post purchase. We are going to find the probability of spending post purchase 0 given cost savings category and RFQ category are combined together.
For that we need to sum column or row?
So here we are finding the finding by row, right? Here we are finding by row.
This is sum. Sum of row.
Right, 100% is there, right? 100% is on the row side.
Yeah.
So this is we are trying to find by row. Probability of condition is cost savings and RFQ we're combining, and we are finding the probability of spending post purchase 0%, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%.
Okay.
So like this, we can play with this.
Okay, and if we take grand total, we will get last stage. I mean,
Yeah,
what?
last stage.
As you said,
This intersection of all the three variables.
all the three.
Right, 5% is the
Okay.
intersection of cost savings A category, cost saving A category is RFQ 0 category, right, and spending post purchase 0%. That is 5%.
Okay.
So these are intersection. When we take the grand total grand total as the percentage of grand total, then you get the combination intersection of all three variables.
We can add one more, right?
Yeah, we can add one more. We can put on the columns row section.
In the row, let's put what happened? Something happened. This is I think whatever. This is discount. Why it's not taking?
Just drag the discount percent into the row section. Drag it.
Okay, now it is. Okay, so like that we can do. Okay. I think we can directly do grand total because grand percent total because we want to know intersection of all these variables.
Yeah, that depends upon different scenarios. The grand total is grand total percentage is if you want to combine all of them together means we do not know about the the first variable happening or second variable occurrence. We are not considering the first variable occurrence and second variable occurrence. We are considering first variable is also unknown, second variable is also unknown, right? So in those scenarios it will be helpful. But if you know either one of the variable is has already occurred, if you want to see one of the variable has already occurred, so then we have to take the variable one as the condition. So if we think that none of the events have occurred, then okay, it's fine.
Okay.